Today we'll be disassembling the eNVy from GoG Paintball. What you're going to need is a squeegee or a straight shot, anything along those lines, 5/16 Allen key, 1/8 Allen key, and a 5/64 Allen key. Taking your 5/64 Allen key, you're going to take the screws off both sides of the grip. You're going to then take your 1/8 Allen key, unscrew here, here, under the trigger guard, and the two screws under the grip. When that is finished, you're going to take your 5/16 Allen key and unscrew the bolt sleeve. Once that is done, take your grip off. Take your bolt sleeve off the back. Using your straight shot or your squeegee, wooden dowel, whatever you want to use. Push it in the back to allow you to take the bolt out with no issues. You can then just pull the body off, no issue whatsoever. Be careful when you're taking the body off that you do not lose the little power button. The trick is to put it aside and just out of the way, that way you don't have to worry about it falling on the floor and you have to search for it. You're now left with the gun and the regulator. Very simply, you just unscrew the rag from the gun. It comes in one piece. You're now left with the body, breech, and the board. Taking your 1/8 Allen key, you're going to take these screws off. These screws hold the body, the board together. You don't have to take the screws off all the way. You can see they sit in this black area. Yeah, they don't have to worry about losing them. Once those two screws are off, you can take the board off. As you can see, there's a hole right here that was attached right here. That's why you took that front screw out. Set your board aside. After you take the board off, you're going to see a little screw. This holds the breech to the body. This prevents it from jumping around, everything along those lines. Now, once that's off, trick is take an Allen key of any sort, and you can push in a hole, and you can push the breech from the body. Now, as you can see, the breech comes already milled for eyes. So at a later time, if you choose to order a black cardboard and install it, it comes ready. Now, reassembling the eNVy is very easily. You're just going to take the breech, put it in, to a point where it sits flush, right here. Take your board, again, using your 1/8 Allen key, you'll screw in, board to the body, take this little piece that you took off, will sit right there, so that way it sits flush. The front port. Now, once you have these two screws in, again, remembering, be careful with your little on-off button. good trick is when you're installing the grip to the body again, is to have this facing down. That way the button doesn't have to worry about falling off. When you install, it's very simple. You just put it on, push in. Now, once that's done, you would install the bolt, the regulator back on, put all the screws in, and your GoG eNVy is ready for a day of domination.